Today's question is, what is an argumentative speech? An argumentative speech is a type of speech where a person talks about an issue and tries to convince the audience to agree with their opinion or point of view. This type of speech is based on facts, logic, and evidence, not just feelings. The speaker needs to give strong reasons for their side, and sometimes even mention the other side or the opposite opinion to show why their argument is stronger. For example, one speaker might say that social media harms human interactions and explain why they believe this. Another speaker might say that social media helps people connect and give different reasons to support that idea. Both are argumentative speeches because they try to defend a position on the topic. Why is argumentative speech important? Argumentative speeches help us learn how to express our ideas clearly, practice critical thinking carefully and deeply, back up our opinions with evidence, not just emotions, become more confident speakers and communicators. Many jobs also use argumentation. For example, lawyers use it in court. Advertisers use it to sell products. And leaders use it to present their ideas in meetings. The following are parts of an argumentative speech. Number 1 is introduction. This is the beginning part of your speech. It has 3 main parts. Hook. The hook is something you say at the start to catch your audience's attention. It can be a surprising fact, a short story, a question, or even a quote. For example, did you know that teenagers spend more than 7 hours a day on screens? Background information on the topic. This gives the audience some basic knowledge about the topic. You explain what the issue is so that the listeners understand it before you share your opinion. Example: today, many people use social media daily. Some believe it helps us stay connected, while others say it damages our relationships. Thesis statement. This is your main idea or opinion. It is one sentence that clearly tells the audience what you believe. Example: I believe that social media is harming real human interactions. Number 2 is body. This is the middle part of your speech. In the body, you explain your argument in more detail. You give reasons and examples to support your thesis statement. Each point you make should have a clear reason or explanation, some evidence like facts, research, or real-life examples. Example: one reason could be that people spend more time on their phones than talking to others in real life. You can support this with a study or survey. You should have 2 to 3 strong points in the body, depending on how long your speech is. Number 3, counter-argument. In this part, you mention the other side or opposite opinion. You show the audience that you understand there are different points of view, but then you explain why your opinion is still stronger. Example: some people say that social media helps them stay in touch with family. While that may be true, real face-to-face conversations are still more meaningful and create stronger relationships. This helps make your argument balanced and more convincing. And number 4, conclusion. This is the final part of your speech. In the conclusion, you repeat your thesis statement in a new way. Summarize your main points. And with a strong final message or a call to action. Something that tells the audience what they should think or do next. Example: in conclusion, while social media has some benefits, it is causing more harm than good in human relationships. It's time we put our phones down and reconnect with people around us.